Hello my art viewers, welcome to my channel The Art of Inside Impressions. So today we are going to see which pencil is better for beginners. Best pencil will come from practice. So after many trials I found two best varieties of pencils which you can also try. So here we are seeing Camlin pencils. So this is of 6 pencils for 50 rupees. Yeah, 50 rupees and 6 pieces, and you will get HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B and 10B. So these are worth buying packs if you are beginner in the sense if you are starting drawing and you're practicing outlines, you can go with this brand because this is affordable, that is just 50 rupees, and we'll test how they are working. You can see my previous video which is exclusively on papers. So which quality paper is better for drawing? So let us test each grade of pencil and its shading and its darkness and how it is blending on this paper. And here we are using ivory sheet. Here I am testing each grade of pencil. So let us skip this process. Yeah, and okay, done. So here are 6 grade pencil tones, and now we'll blend each grade and we'll compare results with other brand pencils. So let me speed up this process in order to give a quality video. Here I'm using soft tissue which is homemade, and I'm blending using that soft tissue only. So you can see the results. HB is blended properly and 4B is blended very good, and 6B, 8B and 10B are the dark shades. So next pencil is Artline pencil. So Artline pencil is my favorite choice in order to get darkest tones. So I'll use this pencil with combination of other pencil too, and that combination will be revealed in my next part of the video. So don't skip video and watch completely and enjoy the video. So here also we got 6 grades, that is same HB, 2B, 4B, 6B and 10B. So let us test each one. So before testing, we should sharpen these pencils using blade, not with the sharpeners, because this sharpener may break the pencil point. So don't use sharpeners in order to sharpen these art pencils in the sense which you are using for the artwork. So be careful when you are sharpening. So in this way you need to sharpen slowly in order to achieve a sharp tip. If you are not able to do this process, you can ask your parents to do, and they will definitely help in doing this. And do hold pencil firmly and do this process. So let me speed up this process. Through this technique you can use your pencil so effectively. So you will achieve a sharp tip and you'll minimize the wastage. And here comes Artline, which is 6-piece set, and HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B, and yeah. So here 6 pieces and that is 50, but this is 70, which is 20 rupees more than that. But we'll see results and let us know some facts and hidden secrets behind this pencil, why it is costly than the Camlin. And let us repeat the same process, like we'll test each grade and we'll know the results. So I'll speed up the process. And if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications. So we will blend using soft tissue, which is homemade again. Homemade tissue I am using. You can see my previous videos how I made homemade tissue paper within few minutes. Here we should know one thing. The grade which is like HB, 2B, 4B up to 5B, it will blend properly. From again 6B to the darkest grade, it is hard to blend. So blending will become more difficult when you try with higher grade pencils. So do finalize your drawing or your mistakes or your corrections up to 3B to 4B, because after using 10B it will be really difficult to erase it. So we'll compare. 4B is little darker than the Camlin one. 8B is really dark than the Camlin one. Artline is very good, very dark, and 10B is really very good. So Camlin beginners can give a try, but Artline is very good and suggestible because it is value pack. So this you can achieve dark tones using Artline if you are really favorite towards darker shades, so you can definitely try Artline pencils. So Camlin is also good, so if you want to try, give try to Artline. So using Camlin you can make basic drawings, but using Artline you can make like medium to advanced drawings which you have different tones, shades, grades, hair, etc. And you can also buy single grade pencils which are easily available in Amazon, so I'll provide link below. Now my favorite choice, that is Staedtler. So we are seeing Staedtler Lumograph pencils which are of 12 pieces, and its price is pretty much high, but it is worth buying. So you'll get it for 1150. By this, you can achieve very realistic artworks. You can also get this black dark classic pencils which is different from this blue one. So those are really very dark. So I don't have it. So here come I'm revealing secret. So I said secret combination, right? I'll use this Staedtler and Artline pencils together in order to achieve the realism out of it. And yeah, now we'll blend evenly. And here 4H, 3H, 2H and H, we can't blend it so easily. So these four are particularly used for outlines and fine lines and etc. So from H to F, HB, B, these are really good for blending. So basically I'll do this 4 grades for skin texture, wrinkles and hair base layer. So 5B, 4B, 3B, 2B are really good in blending, whereas from 6B to so on you can't blend it easily. So we should again remember one thing, that is 4H, 3H, 2H, H, 6B, 8B, 10B, so on, you can't blend it easily. So in middle grades which are available, those are easily blended and they'll give even tone. So choose wisely and use wisely. So as I already said, these 3 or 4 you can use for outlines and like lashes, eyebrows, wrinkles and other things, so on, and other grades F, HB, B. These 3 grades can be used in skin texture, skin tones, blending perfectly, and you can achieve even tone and you can achieve a realistic shiny look using these 3 grade pencils. So whereas 2B, 3B and 4B. So 2B you can achieve dark skin tone. You can start with 2B and you can stop at 5B because after that you can't blend it easily. So 3B, 4B for shadows and hair. So you can use high grade pencil to get a dark hair effect. So 5B and 6B can be definitely used for background hair also because you need to achieve a dark tone hair. So next is my favorite choice again, Staedtler mechanical pencil, which is of 470, and you require this pencil in order to do eyebrows, eyelashes and the fine areas which you want. But here again you need to buy this lid box separately. They'll not provide you lids, so you need to buy this both separately. And now we'll test this Staedtler mechanical pencil 0.3 mm and how it will work. So you cannot see the lines, they are so fine, and you can use this for front hairs which are flying, and you can use for eyebrows, eyelashes and so on, which are really fine lines. You can use for shading, cross hatching and for outlines. everywhere where you want to get a minimal super duper fine lines. And other thing, if you have this mechanical pencil also, you will take some time in order to use, because holding this mechanical pencil is very much important than buying. So you need to practice daily. So you need to do eyelashes, eyebrows daily to get the sharp and edge look. These lids are really thin and really delicate, so you need to handle with care, and you need to take utmost care for mechanical pencil also, because you can find like fine parts in it. So hold it properly and keep it safely. So we can write here to achieve fine lines, and used for eyebrows, hair, eyelashes and wrinkles. So our next choice is Faber-Castell 0.7 mechanical pencil. So you should use 0.5 mechanical pencil also. At present I'm not having it because I don't know where I lost my pencil, but yeah, 0.7 mechanical pencil also is very much important. So in order to achieve like some dark areas and fine lines, you can use this as substitute for 0.5 mechanical pencil, but you need to handle pencil very lightly in order to achieve fine lines. So let us test 0.3 and 0.7. So 0.7 mechanical pencil will blend very evenly, but 0.3 mechanical pencil will not smudge. So but 0.7 will smudge and it will remove the fine lines. When you are trying 0.3, it will be very good for eyelashes and eyebrows, because you need to see all fine lines visible at the end. So this is not suggestible, but 0.3 mechanical pencil you can try for other brands which are really reasonable and affordable. So other brands like Faber-Castell, Camlin, Apsara, etc. you can get it. As everyone know, we'll use mechanical pencils for only fine lines, so you can go with 0.3 directly. You can use pencils in case of 0.7. So 0.3 is suggestible. So do try 0.3 and 0.5 together to achieve realism. And this is all about these two wonderful mechanical pencils. Now we'll see other thing. Those are white charcoal pencils. So white charcoal pencils are used for like where you can work these pencils on gray shade papers or black papers which are really clearly visible. So you can work very good on those shade papers, but here you can't see how it really appear. So I guess it is not properly visible, but yeah, you can see shiny effect over there. And one good thing is you can also apply graphite on this white charcoal pencil, so that is advantage of using white charcoal. But I don't use these pencils personally, because I'll use only pencil eraser in order to give highlights. So yeah, it is not worth buying, so don't buy this product. Do buy directly pencil erasers. You can get happily for 160. You can get like 2 pencil erasers, or yeah, 3 if you choose other brands rather than Kohinoor brand. And this is all about today's video, and if you really like this video, please hit a like. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and tap the bell icon to get new notifications, tricks and new videos which you are looking for. Thank you, and stay safe, stay healthy. All the best.